Hello, I'm Professor McBride, and I am a labor and delivery nurse and a maternal newborn instructor. We are going to review the appearance of early decelerations in fetal monitoring. When we are monitoring a fetus, we are looking for several components that show us that our baby is oxygenated and neurologically intact. And in another video, we reviewed moderate variability and accelerations. If we look at our types of decelerations, there are three. There are early decelerations, late decelerations, and variable decelerations, and I am reviewing each of these in separate videos. Today we're reviewing early decelerations. Early decelerations are going to be something that we see where the fetal heart rate decreases from the baseline and returns back to the baseline at the same time that a contraction is happening. And if you have looked at veal chop, then the E of veal and the H of chop reminds us that an early deceleration is caused by head compression. This is a normal finding as labor is progressing. As the baby is coming down further into the birth canal and getting more pressure on the head, it is normal to see these decreases when the contraction happens. So even though it is called an early deceleration, it really is happening at the same time, and they mirror each other. So here you can see the beginning of a contraction here. And then you can also see the beginning of the deceleration. So here is our baseline for the baby, and now here's our decrease starting at the same time as the contraction. The nadir of the deceleration happens at the same time as the peak of a contraction. So here's the nadir, or the low point of the deceleration, and then here's the peak of the contraction, and you can see that they are happening at the same time. And then both the deceleration and the contraction begin and end at the same time, mirroring each other. So you can see where this deceleration is recovered to baseline at the same time that the contraction is ending. So this is an indication of head compression. When the contraction happens, the heart rate decelerates. When the contraction relieves, the heart rate returns to baseline, and they mirror each other. I hope this was helpful. Reach out if you have questions.